Which is the most fearless animal in the world? Recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the most fearless creature on the planet, one animal has earned its legendary reputation for bravery and resilience. Known for relentless aggression, it fearlessly confronts much larger predators such as lions, leopards, and hyenas, often targeting vulnerable areas like the eyes or genitals unthreatened. Its incredible toughness stems from thick, loose skin that resists serious harm and a remarkable resistance to venom, allowing it to recover quickly from deadly snake bites. The world's most fearless animal is the honey badger. What's your guess? Let us know in the comments.